Philadelphia, stand up. You know how I'm feeling right now, let's go. It's 2020, bitch, I'm steady getting money quick. How is that? Cause you know when I go and I spit in the fucking booth, everything I say is the truth. And all y'all shit is whack, they ain't gon' play it back. You ain't getting on the radio, guess I'm not either. Because when it comes to rap shit, I straight ether. I'm killing everybody, put them in a stranglehold. Every word that drop out of my mouth, words worth to go, yeah. And you worse than having a cold when this coronavirus killing the young and the old. But fuck that, bitch, I'm the beauty and the beast. From the motherfucking west to the east, leave you deceased quick. Yeah, shout out to Eastwood, Clint. Yeah, bitch, and I don't play with a bitch, Clint. I just give all that dick, then I dip. You know that ever since I was born, bitch, I've always been the shit. Always been going in crazy. I know I'm so amazing, cause I should get motherfucking paper on the fucking daily. I should get radio plays, I should get spins, I should get platinum plaques and catch wins. But I still be down in these streets, I still be starving. Yeah, I feel like I'm from a different planet, Marvin, the fucking Martian. I've been through hard shit, and anybody wanna try me, punch him like a mosh pit. I knock a motherfucker out cold, like they was left at the fucking North Pole. Yeah, bitch, I got that North and that South Pole for her. If you want that dick, bitch, you better come over, cause I ain't looking for you. I cannot afford you, you claim, but motherfucking bitch, you ain't on the same level as I am. You ain't on the precipice that I reach, you ain't even close, it is not a clinch, nah, shout out to Clinch Paper. I rap my food in that on the daddy. And when I'm not rapping my food, I'm rapping rude and rapping crew, rapping dudes. They can't check my stews, yeah. Stew isn't the word, but stew is studio. It's a fucking verb, it's appreciated as I am underappreciated. But motherfucker, you know that I am the greatest, and they should just go ahead and say it. They should put me on the list, but they would rather that I get pissed upon. But bitch, I got that pistol drawn. If you wanna go, bitch, to get this John in your motherfucking speakers, up through that earwax. Everything I drop is the hottest clear tracks, and bitch, that's clear facts. If you don't like that, you better get back, or you might get smacked in your face like a disobedient hoe. And I've been up in the studio going, oh, that's what I'm saying to myself. Get hyped up and I'm on your shelf with that motherfucking gold and platinum record. Yeah, bitch, I'm about to catch that Rexer. Yeah, and shout out to the Rexer. That's a guy in the chat that I saw a minute ago. Yeah, and fuck a minute ago, cause I just checked a hoe and they did that for some dough. Yeah, like I was in pimp mode, but OnlyFans is going out of business, cause unemployment, it get dividends getting ripped off, yeah. And fuck that, bitch, I never rip coughs, cause it's coronavirus season, and I don't want to end up and meet Satan in hell. If I leave somebody unwell, bitch, I threw a quarter into the wishing well, bitch. And I said, I just wanna make a rap sale, I wanna make a hit, and that's what I did. But see the monkey's paw, a finger wet and curled up, cause I was going ahead sleeping on sir, yeah. On my couch, then the feds came. They said, is your motherfucking name Toby Reynolds? And you did that Alex song. I said, yes, what the fuck have I done wrong? They said, your music is murderous. I said, yo, then fuck it, bitch, I'm coming through strong. Have you heard of us? It's the E-double-G gang. And motherfucker, we's not on the same thing. I bang, it rang out across the world. And I don't need me a fucking girlfriend, nah, because the world's about to end. So fuck it all, I'll just keep on going in on these instruments, on these beats, cause motherfucker, you could never ever compete with the E-double-G. Yeah, that's me. Oh yes sirree. Philly, stand up, let's go!